brought together so many different people, really focused and centered around like, hey, how do we actually, as different companies, come together and impact the way that people and goods move in cities?
Super exciting to be here, just to see all the cool, innovative technologies in mobility.
It is beautiful out here. The energy is electric. Everyone's talking about this wonderful autonomous future that we're all building together, and we are so excited to continue being part of this discussion.
Really excited to be here in LA, getting to see the next frontier in technology. Have Curbivore really bring together the public and private sector. I think it's important. Excited to be a part of it.